ChatGPT is a powerful tool, and a lot of plugins have been made that integrate ChatGPT into other applications. For example, let's take Google Sheets for example right here. So over here, I'm going to install a ChatGPT related plugin. So to do that, I'm going to go around over here onto extension, and then I'm going to go around onto add-on, and then go to get add-ons right here. So once I go around onto get add-ons, I'm going to go around and type in SheetGPT right here, just like this, and then press enter. So once you go around over here, you can see that SheetGPT is an option, and if I were to go around and click on install, this particular plugin will be installed. I can go around and utilize my Google ID right here to go around and install it, and I'm going to go around and click on allow right here. So once I do that, what happens is that SheetGPT will be installed around over here in my Google Sheets right here. So now I can go ahead and refresh, and over here you can see that I can go around onto extensions, and you can see that SheetGPT is an option. I can go ahead and enable this, and this uses the ChatGPT API and brings it into Google Sheets. So over here you can see that I can utilize that. You can utilize equal to GPT function to invoke in any cell right here. So let's say, for example, I can say GPT, tell me 3 things GPT can do to help right here. So once I go around and enable this, I can go around and press equals right here, and then I'm going to say GPT right here, just like this, and you can see that this is what you have, and I can go around and add in a prompt. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and say list 3 things that a computer expert should have right here. So just like this, I'm going to go around and say computer expert should have, just like this, and then I'm going to go around and close around the bracket, press enter, and what happens is that it loads out. It's loading the data, as you can see right here, and it is utilizing the ChatGPT engine, and it just generated out this prompt. So let's say I'm going to go around and change this out right here. So let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and say graphics designer right here, just like this, and let's say whatever I type here, I want it to be turned into a prompt right here. So now over here, what I'm going to do is it says list 3 things that a computer expert should have. So I'm just going to go around and say this right here, and I'm going to go around and add in this right here, and this is going to be my prompt. And over here, what I'm going to do is say graphic designer. So now I'm going to go around over here, and then I'm going to add in a graphic designer right here. So I'm going to go around and press N right here, and then I'm going to add in A3, and just like this. So it says there's 3 things that A3. So whatever data I add in over here will be taken by GPT. So this is what I want. So I'm going to go around and press enter, and now over here it says graphic designer. So it takes that particular cell data right here, and now you can see that graphic designer is here, a graphics designer, and so forth. So now let me just go around and say singer right here, just like this, and once I do singer, what happens is that it'll take this particular word right here, and now you can see that this is here. So it takes this value right here. So it says list 3 things that A3 value the cell data should have right here, and generates it out. So I'm just going to go around over here and say YouTuber right here, just like this, press enter, and what happens is that it loads up the prompt again right here, and then what you have is you have a prompt right here, just like this. And that is how you can actually utilize ChatGPT related plugins in another application, and this is one of the examples that you can use as SheetGPT. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.